Hey Pranav. Hey Pranav.
Hi.
I got a gift for you.
What
See this.
Wow! I love this in my life.
Okay.
Let's unopen it.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh, why? Why did you not come? Okay.
This is Fun Haver.
Fun Hammer, the name.
Yeah.
And the color.
You'll be having a remote control as well. Did you see the remote control by the way?
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, come on. Where is the remote? Oh, there. And I need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
thank you.
Can I look at the car? Take a look at the car.
This car is tail, right?
Is it stylish?
Yeah, so stylish. And guys, if you want to buy this car, you can go to Walmart and this car is in like it's toy area, okay? You can buy in there, okay?
So you know how fast it's gonna drive. What do you think?
I think so.
Do you think it will drive fast?
Yeah. And guys, you have to put the charger in the computer.
Can you check the charger section?
Charger section, okay.
Do you have the charger section?
So this is a charger section. So we can open this.
Is that an USB charger?
Yeah, USB charger. And guys, don't forget this screw, okay? Oh, totally so hard to get.
Oh, here it is.
This is the charger I can put.
Okay.
And
You can unpack it.
we're trying to. I gonna show you guys how to ride it, okay?
So it has like suspension, 2.4 GHz fuel function. Alright. You finished putting screw?
No. And by the way, this screw is you have to stand this screw. And like this. I really hate putting screws. So if you expert in putting screw, you are so faster to put. Right guys? I mean you are not you can not talk. I think okay, I'm done.
Are done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys
Let's try.
and guys, I gonna show you how to on this. Did you see the red button right here?
Oh,
You
this
switch
one?
on and it's gone. And we gotta put right and
Oh, it's so fast. Can you turn?
so faster. So guys, subscribe to this channel and bye bye.